Tuloy pa rin ang gala natin dito sa Bahrain mga lasya. This time mga lasya, pupunta tayo ng National Museum in Bab al Bahrain. We just arrived at Bahrain National Museum. So ito yung entrance ng museum. Punta na tayo doon. Sana pwede tayong mag-walk-in. Kasi walk-in lang ang ating ticket. So, yeah. Lalabas tayo mamaya for picture. We're here! Hello, Bahrain National Museum! Now let's start exploring mga lasya, one of Bahrain's most iconic cultural landmarks, the Bahrain National Museum. This is Bahrain National Museum. So, yung mga arts tayo doon. Yan. So, try na natin pumunta. Pasok na tayo. So, nandito na tayo mga lasya sa loob ng Bahrain National Museum. We're going inside now mga lasya. So, this is all. Okay. Maano sa guys. So, makikita natin sa this is in the ground floor. Now let's begin exploring the culture, rich history, and heritage of this popular site mga lasya, Bahrain National Museum. The museum mga lasya is located in the capital city of Manama. Opened in 1988, it is the oldest public museum in Bahrain mga lasya and one of the most popular cultural attractions in the country. As we walk through here in the museum mga lasya, we can see a lot of exhibits covering different periods, impressive arts, and many more. So immerse yourself in this iconic and the cultural heritage here in Bahrain National Museum mga lasya. Mga lasya, after natin sa museum kanina, pumunta tayo dito sa Bab al Bahrain. So, ito yung Bab al Bahrain mga lasya. So next nating binisita mga lasya ay ang Bab al Bahrain, meaning gateway to Bahrain. The iconic building mga lasya was constructed 1949 and it is originally served as the main entrance to the city and central point for government offices. The building was designed by Sir Charles Belgrave, an advisor to the Emir of Bahrain at that time. So pag napunta kayo ng Bahrain mga lasya, don't forget to visit this unique landmark in Bahrain. Nandito pa rin tayo mga lasya sa Bab al Bahrain, dito sa Bahrain. Namamasyal tayo. It is a great place to visit and to buy souvenirs mga lasya. Dito medyo hindi masyadong yung humid, hindi kagaya doon sa Dubai as in grabe. Nandito pa rin tayo mga lasya sa Manama, Bahrain. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.